Hello everyone, this is Yuki again. Welcome to our channel. Last time we analyzed which plug is more suitable for a thin modular cord, long body or short body. From application and the plug dimension, we found the long body plug was more suitable for a thin modular cord. However, how about our biggest concern? Which plug will be with better performance to fit a thin modular cord, especially as the cable is so thin? Let's assemble it first and test them.
Maybe some friends have noticed that these patch holes are a little different from what you have seen in the store. They don't have hoods. This is because we think the foot injection procedure will affect the modular cord performance. Actually, I'm a little curious about how the foot injection will affect. If you have the same thought, maybe you can subscribe our channel and we will show this in our next video. Right now, let's test our current patch cord with long body and short body plugs and have a look. From the recent testing, it seems the long body and short body plug with similar test results. If you want to know more about our products, welcome to subscribe to our channel, or you can also contact me by my email yuki@jhhy.com. Thank you very much. Bye!